Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in today's video we will discuss about attribution model. If you have done Google ads, you learn about attribution model that is in the Google ads, but in the same way we have attribution models in FB ads as well. And I think nobody is talking about attribution model, what they are doing and how they can help us to optimize the campaign better. So in today's video I will let you know what is attribution model and how we can use them. So in Facebook ads, the attribution setting define the time frame within which a conversion can be credited to an ad, influencing both ad reporting and delivery optimization. You select this at the Adset level and choose from option like 7-day click, 1-day click, 7-day click, or 1-day view, or 7-day click or 1-day view, which represent window for recording conversions after a click or a review. The default setting is often 7-day click, 1-day view, but the best choice depend on your advertising goal. You can change it according to your convenience. So I know you are not getting exactly what I'm trying to say because it's a description only. So let me show you in the FB Ads Manager what is attribution model and where it can rely, so that you can know from where we need to use that options and how we can use this for optimization. So let's dive into the video. So as you can see, now we are at the FBI dashboard. So I understand you not able to get my point exactly. So let me show you where the attribution model is. So as you can see, once you create a new campaign, let me click on the new campaign and I will create a new campaign with sale objective. And once you go to the ad set level, as I have already told you, that we need to set the attribution model in the ad set level. And here, as you can see, you need to choose the website option because we are redirecting the visitor to our website to get the product. So here, as you can see, now we have set the conversion location, our pixel, we have set our goal, maximum number of conversions, and after that you can see an option that is attribution model. So here we need to choose our attribution model to get our campaign optimized or get good conversion. So as default, always standard attribution model is always chosen by every advertiser for meta campaigns. So as you can see in standard, this will give us the option for optimize and delivery for selected time window and engagement type based on your attribution settings. So in this standard setting, we have 3 attribution setting. As you can see, show more setting button is showing. Once you click on it, it will give you the attribution setting which we need to define so that we will get the data according to this attribution setting. So as you can see, once I click on it, 3 options is visible. First one, click through, the second one, engage view, and the third one, view through. So let me explain you what exactly they are defining. So click through window, what this will define is, it measures the conversion that occur after someone click your ad, and view through window will measure the conversion that happen after somebody view your ad without clicking on it and convert. And after that, engage view window, this is a video specific option that credited conversion within a 1-day period after someone watches your ad at least 10 seconds of a video. So these are the 3 windows, basically these attribution which will define your conversion in the FB ads account. Let me explain you what 7 days means. 7-day click means a conversion is counted if the user clicks the ad and convert within 7 days. And in the same way, 1-day click, it will define a conversion if counted if user click on the ad and convert within 1 day. And after that, 7-day click and 1-day view, if we set that option, this is the default setting, credited conversion that happen within 7 days or 1 day of a view, like if somebody view your ad and after that they are converted. And view, this option include above 2+ conversions within 1 day of a view. So basically these are the option which defines your attribution, like if somebody click on your ad and and they are converted in 7 days, 1 day, how you want to get that data. So you can set it here. If you want somebody click on your ad in day 1 and after 7 days they are converting, so you want that conversion counted in your like Facebook ads account, so then you can use it in the same. You can use this option like 7 days one. And if you want, if somebody click on the ads and only in 1 day they have converted, still you want to count that conversion. But if they are converted after that day, you don't want to use that as a conversion in your FB ads account, then you need to choose 1 day here. So this is the option how this is work. Basically it will give you the data, because some of the visitors want to get data on the same days. They're like, if somebody click on the ad and convert at that time, so they only want the live data. So if you are that kind of person who want to run campaign exactly like that, then you can use 1 day view, 1 day click through, 1 day engage view, and 1 day view through data in your attribution setting. And if you are a person, if somebody click on your ad on day 1 and they are converted by directly going to their website on day 7, and you still want that conversion counted in your FB ads account, then you can choose 7 day window, this one. In the same way you can choose it here, 7 day one. So these are the attribution models which will define your conversion data, how they will credit it to your account, and in that way you can optimize your campaign in a better way to get the data exactly how you want it. So I think now you understand my point, what I'm trying to say, what I'm trying to explain you regarding the attribution models. These models are very, very important for us, whether you are running a lead based campaign or you are running a conversion based campaign, because we don't need to credit the data that is recording twice. So to overcome those issues, you can use this attribution model in your particular campaign. So this is our today topic. This is how we use the attribution model in our FB ads account. If you have any query and concern regarding that, you can directly comment below on the YouTube section, and if you want to connect with me, you can directly contact me through the number flashed on the screen. So thank you so much. Watch my video. Bye.